Alright guys, if you're interested in signing up to be a driver, which may not last forever, use the link in the description below to get your bonus. Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and this is the Rideshare Hub. This is the best YouTube channel for Uber and Lyft videos. We have the best content out there. So, you know, if you're a driver or if you're thinking about becoming a driver, thank you so much for joining. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any fantastic videos on Uber and Lyft and rideshare in general. This video is crazy, okay? This is a reaction video actually. I have never done this, so you guys are witnessing the first reaction video on my channel. Before I get into the video, go ahead and get some merch. You check the link in the description, check it out. We got a bunch of cool different designs and some really awesome merchandise. So if you need a new shirt or if you need a new hoodie or tank top for working out, I don't anymore because I have a bunch of shirts. Let me just show you guys really quickly before I get into the video, guys. Look at all these awesome designs. I love this one. I get compliments on this one all the time. This one is awesome too. Let's see, got that one in black as well. That's the one I have on now. This one is sick. That's probably the craziest design we have. Another one of those. This one is probably the most popular, however. Original. And that one's sick too. So, guys, there's a design out there for all of you guys. Go ahead and get your merch. Rep the Rideshare Hub. Send me a photo and maybe I'll post you on my Instagram or on the YouTube. I'll shout you on the next video if you buy a shirt. Just send me an email with your screenshot or of you wearing the shirt and I'll actually put you guys in the video, so that'd be cool. Alright, so today's video, this is a live reaction video. I am reacting to Tesla announcing that they're releasing driverless cars within the next year. Guys, that is insane. Everyone's been talking about driverless cars, whether you like it or not. Every single company, not every single company, but tons of different companies out there are working on them. Tesla, Uber, Lyft, Apple, Google. I think Apple might have stopped doing that. Amazon, I think, is doing it. Aurora, there's Auto. I could look up 100 different companies that are all working on driverless cars. Uber spends $20 million a month working on driverless cars. So guys, like I said, whether you like it or not, whether I like it or not, they're coming. And Tesla just announced that they are planning to come out with, they're releasing driverless cars in the next year. So yeah, I saw this head title and I thought it was fake at first, but it's from Business Insider, and Business Insider is a very reputable source. So I wanted to share this with you guys, but I thought it'd be cool to do a live reaction so I can share you my thoughts with you guys on this as well. Alrighty here, so I'm gonna screen record so you guys can watch with me. I haven't done this in a while either. Wow, this is, I feel like I'm going back to my roots here. Alright, so now you can see my face and the video. Okay guys, so Tesla is taking direct aim at Uber and Lyft with claims of plans to roll out 1 million robotaxis by next year. Let me get the thumbnail. Okay, but the plan was lacking details. Okay, 1 million robo-taxis? Guys, did I read that right? 1 million driverless cars in the next year? That's you know how many drivers there are? There's there's probably 2 million Uber and Lyft drivers. They're not even driving they're not even driving every day, and these guys are gonna be active every day. Look at that face. Bruh. Alright, just kidding. Elon Musk is a genius, but still, I don't even know if he's happy about it based on this photo. This photo is probably out of context. On Monday, today's Wednesday, so I'm a little late on this. On Monday, Tesla revealed the company's plans to compete with Uber and Lyft by using autonomous ride-hailing fleet, which will be made up of what Musk describes as robo-taxis. These robo-taxis will operate on the Tesla network, which is basically a ride-hailing platform. Robotaxi can be essentially any Tesla vehicle with autonomous driving functionality. He said that by next year for sure, we will have 1 million robotaxis on the road. Robotaxi will be significantly cheaper for riders than what Uber and Lyft cost today, Musk said. and will offer Tesla owners the opportunity of making upwards of $30,000 a year. Oh my gosh. So people are gonna be getting rides in luxury cars for cheaper than what Uber and Lyft cost right now. Uber and Lyft is already so cheap. And they're using people who already own Teslas, and they're gonna be making money without even driving. 30 grand a year too. The fundamental message that consumers should be taking is that it is financially insane to buy anything other, oh my gosh. If this actually works, guys, Tesla's gonna take over. I mean, yeah, why wouldn't you buy a Tesla if you can pay it off in 1 or 2 years with this? The fundamental message that consumers should be taking today is that, oh yeah, I already read that. Others were not so convinced of Musk's plan, which lacked important details like how the company would handle insurance. Insurance isn't that big of a deal, guys. You know, just buy it. It's not a huge, like, if they said like, oh, we don't have the technology, they have the technology. But I don't know about regulation. I don't know how they're gonna get that passed. Tesla is all in on its plans to take over the ride-hailing industry. Everyone is. I went to a artificial intelligence and robotics conference the other day, and Uber was there talking about their strategy. Let me know if you're interested and I can talk more about that. On Monday, CEO Elon Musk revealed the company's plans to compete with companies such as Uber and Lyft. Yeah. Okay, any consumer will be able to add their vehicle, can share car in particular times, only share with friends and coworkers or social media friends. Hoping to offset some or all of monthly vehicle payments. Oh my gosh. That's like getting a free car. Summon a robotaxi app car. The key difference is that there won't be a driver in the car. How is he getting this passed? I don't know if this is by city or a statewide or nationwide thing. Tesla's chief exec said he's very confident in predicting the launch of the robotaxi program by next year in certain parts of the US. Okay, so I guess it's at least statewide. It's not nationwide. The Tesla network robo-taxi plans seem half-baked, with the company appearing to either not have answers or not even considering basic. Okay, pricing, that's easy to come up with. Just do a per mile basis. It's not that hard. Insurance liability. Yep, there's insurance people out there. This is the biggest one, obviously. Regulatory and legal. I don't think it's legal yet, so something will need to be passed. The average trip, is it actually? Now that I think about it. I actually don't know if it's technically illegal for a company to roll out a driverless car. Could be wrong on that, but I'm trying to think if there's any other driverless, like, scooter. No, I mean, scooters, you still are operating them. And electric, I'm just thinking of things that are, I don't know, whatever. A single robotaxi can provide about $30,000, whatever. The fundamental message that consumers should be taking today is that, okay, yeah, we already read this stuff. Okay, here we go. Gross profit. So he does have answers. What are these guys? These guys don't even know what they're talking about. Less than 18 cents a mile. 90,000 annual mileage. 11 years. 11 times 9? 990,000? So I was making a video. I was like, are you, I was like. Yeah, you want to be on it really quick? Kevin, what do you?
Are you live?
What do you think about this? No.
Oh.
Okay, look at this really quick. First, I'm doing a reaction video. Just get back to the gym or what?
Yeah, bro, I got the.
Okay, what do you think about this?
Oh God.
Read this title.
Tesla is taking direct aim at Uber and Lyft with claims it plans to roll out 1 million robo-taxis by next year, but the plan was lacking details.
Elon Musk said that for sure by next year, Tesla will have 1 million driverless cars on the road.
That's might be believable.
Alright. That's all I wanted you for.
Alright, make sure to like, subscribe. All that's link in description. See you, bro.
Alright. Yeah, guys, pretty nuts, pretty insane. Tesla's autonomous day comes just 2 days before the company's earnings call. Distract investors from a weak first quarter. Robotaxi announcement comes after Lyft's public market debut in March, ahead of Uber's Tesla. That was my live reaction. What do I think about it? I think it's pretty nuts. I think it's pretty insane that Tesla is... I don't know. I don't know the legal... whatever. Do I think it's good? I don't know. I'm pretty hopeful on autonomous vehicles. I think it's pretty cool. I don't think it's ever gonna take over drivers, like, completely. I think people will always still have the option to want to get a, you know, a car with a driver, actual person, but, yeah, I don't know. I think safety is a huge concern that, there's a lot of ethical questions that come into play with, you know, if a car is going to avoid a crash, who is it gonna, I don't know. I think all in all, it will eliminate a lot of accidents and fatalities because people are just bad drivers and people drive drunk and stuff. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I don't want to, you know, I want to let you guys talk first before I give all of my thoughts, and then I'll probably make a follow-up video once I see all your guys' comments. So leave your comment below. What do you guys think? Do you think this is good, bad? I'm pretty sure everyone is going to say bad, but if, you know, let me know if anybody of you guys are actually hopeful about this. I think I'm the only person who actually is interested in seeing driverless cars come into play. So I'm probably alone on that one, but you can see I'm starting to sweat here. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys, but let me know what you guys think. Get some merch, guys. It's really comfy, really soft, and affordable. So, all right, guys, if you're interested in signing up to be a driver, which may not last forever, use the link in the description below to get your bonus. And have a great day, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. Once again, this is the best YouTube channel for rideshare drivers. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.